Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell stocks on TradingView. First, ensure your brokerage account is linked. This integration allows you to execute trades directly from the platform. You'll gain access to powerful charting tools for in-depth market analysis. We'll cover setting up your account, navigating the interface, and placing your first trade. Get ready to streamline your stock trading experience with TradingView's robust features. Connecting your brokerage account is the first crucial step. Head over to the trading panel within TradingView. You'll see a list of supported brokers. Choose yours and proceed. The platform will guide you through a secure login process to authorize the connection. Once linked, your account balance and open positions will appear, giving you a real-time overview. This integration makes managing your investments incredibly convenient and efficient. Now let's talk about placing trades. Once you've identified a stock, simply click the Buy or Sell button directly on the chart. This opens the order panel where you can define your trade. You'll choose an order type, like a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Enter the number of shares you wish to trade, review all the details carefully, and then confirm your order. It's that straightforward. TradingView offers many advanced features to enhance your strategy. Consider using stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take-profit orders to secure gains automatically. You can also explore paper trading, which allows you to practice new strategies with virtual money before committing real capital. This is a fantastic way to build confidence and refine your approach. For those who love to learn and read on the go, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.